Welcome to Pandey sir math class. Student, today I will teach you a new type of equation, what is called differential equation. All of you know what is equation. So what additional part should be there so that a equation is called differential equation is your derivatives. Derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Let's see. Each of these three examples are called differential equation because in each of these three equations, what we are finding, everywhere we are finding derivatives of independent variable with respect to, derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is there in this first equation. In second equation also, there is derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, and here also. So each of them are called differential equation. So what are the conditions, or how will you identify whether a equation is differential equation or not? First, the equation must contain derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Besides this, there can be dependent variable as well as independent variable. Here dependent variable is there, independent variable is also there, and derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variables are there. So here all these three parameters are there, so it is a differential equation. Here only derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is there, but no dependent variable and independent variable are present. Then also it is called differential equation because this is there, so it must be there. So in any equation, if you are observing that this term is there, okay, this part is there, then that type of equation is called differential equation. Now, how to find order and degree of a differential equation? What is the order of a differential equation? The highest order of derivatives appearing in differential equation. It's called order of the differential equation. Say here, in this differential equation, the highest order derivatives is your this, and it is of your second order. So order of this differential equation is your 2. So its order is your 2. In this differential equation, there is only one derivative. So, and it is of your first order. So order of this differential equation is your 1. And here this is also, its order is also 1. Now take one more example. What we are observing here, see the degree, which is the highest order derivatives here, this one, and it is of your second order. So degree of this differential equation is your 2. Order is 2. So order means only highest order derivative we have to check. The highest order derivative is called order of the differential equation. Then now you will learn how to find degree of a differential equation. The power of highest order derivatives, the maximum power of highest order derivatives in a differential equation is called its degree. Say here, if I write here d square y dx square, and this I am making power 5, and its power is your, suppose it is 1 only, then the degree of this is your 5, because the highest order derivative, this is also highest order derivative and this is also your highest order derivative, but power, maximum power is your 5. So the maximum power of highest order derivatives is called its degree. So degree is here, degree of this differential equation is 5. Here degree and order both are same because highest order is your 1 and its power is not given, means it is 1. That you can write in this way. So its degree is your 1. Here degree is 1 because highest order derivatives is your 1. Highest order derivatives is your 1 and its power is 1. So order and degree both are here 1. So in this way we check order and degree of a differential equation. Once again I am repeating, to write what is the order of differential equation, what you have to check, you have to check the highest order derivatives. Only order is called order of the differential equation. So here highest order is your 2. We don't consider the power when we are finding order. We consider only order of the differential equation. And while finding degree, what we observe both order and highest power of the order. Here see, order is your 2, highest order is your 2 and its power is your 5. So here degree of this is your 5. Degree of this is your 5. So in this way we write degree and order of a differential equation. Now I will teach you how to form differential equation. If this mathematical expression is given, y equal to mx, and if you are asked to find differential equation of this, so what you have to do, you have to eliminate constant, parametric constant, arbitrary constant. Here your arbitrary constant is your m. So after eliminating, what expression you will get is called your differential equation. So if there is only one constant in a given equation, in a given expression, this means you have to find derivatives one time. So first find derivatives of this, differentiate with respect to x. Now, thus we eliminated value of m. In place of m, now we can write dy dx. Mark this as equation 1. Now putting value of m in this expression, we are getting here x, m value is your dy dx, dy dx. So this is your required differential equation. So in required differential equation, there will be no arbitrary constant. Say now, no more m is there. So this is called, this is your required differential equation. So what you have to do first, if there is only one arbitrary constant, means you have to find derivative one time. Second example, Here it is given y, if y equal to this, form a differential equation by eliminating a and b. Means you have to eliminate two arbitrary constants. Means to eliminate this two arbitrary constant, we will find twice derivatives of this. First we will find first order derivatives of this. So first write, given that y equal to a x plus b e to the power minus ax. Differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiating above expression. But in place of this we can put y, because y equal to a e to the power ax plus b e to the power minus ax. Finally we are getting here d square y dx square equal to a square into y. So this is your required differential equation. So the required differential equation is your this. Now see, no more capital A and capital B are there, and you are asked to form differential equation by eliminating A and B. So here we are eliminating two arbitrary constant, so you have to find twice derivatives. First find first order derivatives, then find second order derivatives, and from there eliminate A and B. So in this way we form differential equation. Let's do one more question. This is called equation of a circle. Now, you are asked to form a differential equation if x square plus y square equal to a square. No more or no other information is given that you have to eliminate a or not. So in like this question, what you have to see how many constant are there. There is only one constant and it is your a. So this means you have to find first order derivatives and you have to eliminate this. And after eliminating the constant, what expression you are getting will be your differential equation. So first write x square plus y square equal to a square. Differentiate with respect to x. Write differentiating with respect to x. Then x square plus y square equal to d dx of e square. This implies 2x plus 2y dy dx equal to 0. So no more constant is there. So which is your required differential equation? Then write here which is the required differential equation. So dear student, today I taught you what is the differential equation, how to check degree and order of a differential equation, and how to form differential equation if any expression is given. Thank you in this video till this much.